What's up everybody, welcome back to another tutorial on how to download/save Instagram Reels on your mobile phone, whether you're on Android or iOS. It's a free app on the Google Play and the App Store. You're gonna wanna go to the App Store and search for an app called Repost. Subscribe. It is the first one to appear. Now I already have it, so let's go ahead and open it. All you'll need to do is skip the premium suggestion. Now any video you'd like to save on Instagram, all you'll have to do is click on the share button and copy the link. Now go back to the app and it will automatically allow you to paste. It can take some time to process. Subscribe. It processed, but it says failed because this is the video name. It fooled me, but it doesn't matter. All you'll have to do is click on repost, I agree, and now it's saving it to your gallery. Subscribe. When you go to your gallery, now you can find the video. Oh, here. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, or else I'm gonna take your cookies.